Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA Int Convert to integer formula, which converts a number with decimals, just a number, to integer format, which is just a whole number value format. So first of all, we need to record a macro that we're going to write our code in. So in Excel, or in my case Excel 2013, click on the View tab, and then within the macro section of the View tab, there's a drop-down list. Click on Record Macro. I'm going to name this int underscore fx for integer function. Click on OK. Stop running the macro, and then I'm going to go to the macro drop-down list in the View tab and click on View Macros, and then I'm going to edit the macro I want to write the code in. I'm going to delete this comment stuff in apostrophe, and in between the sub and end sub I'm going to paste in my code. The green bits with the apostrophes are comments. You can see my code is basically a message box function. Within that message box there is a formula called int, which is an integer convert to integer function. And within that there's a value of 2.236 in the brackets. If I click on play, we'll see what it does. I'm going to click on run sub or user form, which you can do using the shortcut of function F5, or by simply clicking on the play icon. You can see that value has been converted from 2.236 to a whole number of 2. So it's basically rounded it down because it's 2.2 is lower than 2.5, so it's rounded it down to 2. And that's basically the convert to integer or integer function using a message box in Excel VBA 2013.